how to delete messages on Facebook Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, have you accidentally sent the wrong message on your messenger and want to delete it? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Go ahead and open up your messenger and then tap on the conversation and just long press on the message that you want to delete, and you will see the more option. Tap on it and you can see the delete icon pop up. Tap on it. Now tap on delete again, and delete for you only deletes the message for yourself. So if you want to delete it from the both sides, then tap on delete for everyone. So it will be deleted. However, the notification that you deleted a message will still be seen by both of you. So I hope it helps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.